Hi everyone, welcome back to another cooking video. Let's make some dinner. So tonight we're having some fried chicken, waffle fries with some salad, guys. So with that being said, let's get started with the cooking. All right, so I'm going to show you guys my chicken. Of course, I did clean my chicken with some white vinegar and some lemon juice. Can y'all see? This is so beautiful. So let's go ahead and start with the seasoning. So we got some black pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, parsley, oregano, Italian seasoning, paprika, a little bit of salt. That's what I have in the house, okay? So yeah, we're going to go ahead and throw that in there. As y'all can see, let me show you guys again. Ooh, it's looking good already. So we got some chicken bouillon seasoning. I'm going to use 2. What you're having for dinner tonight? Happy Tuesday. We're not doing no taco over here, guys. It's a fried chicken Tuesday over here, okay? So yeah, after doing all this, I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. Of course, I'm using my hand, and my hands are clean, guys, okay? Of course, I'm cooking for my kids, myself. I have to make sure everything is clean. All right, so don't get it twisted. Don't worry about me, okay? You better worry about your own food, how you make your food at home, all right? Over here, it's organized, as y'all can see. Wow, this is so beautiful. Take a look at this beauty. So let's move on to the flour. Of course, we're going to season our flour the same way we did with the chicken. Guys, we got our flour here. So I'm using all-purpose flour, some salt, just like that, a little bit more. Bam. So let's move to the seasoning. I'm using the same seasoning I did use for the chicken. Paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, Italian seasoning, parsley. All right. Everything is looking beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. Okay. The flour just changes color. That's what we're looking for. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and heat our oil. Of course, today I'm going to use this bigger oil pot to fry my chicken. All right. As y'all can see me. I hope y'all can see me. So I'm using some, is this vegetable oil? Yes. I'm going to use the whole thing in there. Just like that. Happy Tuesday. I'm in a good mood today, guys. Okay. So we're going to allow our oil to heat up for about 20 minutes and then start the frying. All right. Okay, guys. We got some waffle fries here. As you can see, I'm going to use 2 bags of these. This is going in the air fryer, okay? Something really easy and simple. Air fryer. My youngest is always in the mood, guys. We keep moving. Mommy life, okay? We don't panic over here. I'm going to dip it in the flour. Just like that. All right. This is going in. Happy Tuesday, fried chicken Tuesday, and Mavi house. Every day it's Taco Tuesday. Turn left to right, Taco Tuesday, fried chicken Tuesday. Okay guys, as you can see, the chicken is beautifully frying in a medium high heat, because we need to make sure the chicken is well done in the inside and the outside. Okay, so no need to rush. Take your time when you're frying your chicken. Make sure you heat it's not on high, because once you put that on high, just know that the outside will be done and the inside won't. So take your time while cooking and no need to rush, okay? Especially when you're making a meal for your family, guys. Guys, for my salad, I'll be using romaine heart lettuce. As you can see, I do not have cucumbers or tomato in the house. Basically, I'm just using whatever I have around the house, okay? So for the dressing, I'll be using ranch. As you can see, right now I'm going to go ahead and wash that and cut that up and throw the ranch in there. I'll catch you guys once everything is done. Okay, beautiful people, I just finished with the cooking. As you can see, we got our fried chicken in the building, looking good. Okay, we got our salad, we got our waffle fries. As you can see, of course I have a plan B for my youngest in case he doesn't eat the chicken. Okay, I got him some hash brown, some tater top, and some chicken nuggets. That's what we're having for today, Tuesday dinner. I hope you guys enjoy. Again, thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.